Your tip for calming fussy babies could be a winner. If you found yourself soothing your baby by vacuuming in the dark, taking a car ride at 2 a.m., or singing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star a cappella, then you're not alone. Parents are apt to try out of the ordinary remedies for a moment of silence when their babies become fussy. Babies' cries tell you a lot about their moods, whether they're tired, upset, or hungry. Some parents may notice their baby's excessive fussiness occurs during and after feeding times. Nearly 1 million infants experience common feeding problems at some point during their first year of life, which may be due to a baby's developing tummy being intolerant of a cow's milk-based formula. Here are a few signs that may indicate a feeding problem. Fussiness after each feeding. Unwillingness to eat. Curling legs up in. Discomfort after feedings. Excessive gassiness. Excessive spitting up after each feeding or vomiting. Change in stool consistency. If you suspect your baby may have a feeding problem, discuss these symptoms with your pediatrician. Improvement in formula tolerance can be related to the formula or the effect of switching formula. Clinical evidence supports that switching from a milk-based infant formula to Isomil Advance, a soy-based infant formula, can reduce fussiness, gas, and spit up in most infants in just 3 days. To celebrate Isomil Advance's 3-day soy solution and 40-year heritage of solving fussiness, gas, and spit up in infants, enter the Isomil Advance Fuss-Free Getaway contest and share your best baby calming tip. You could win a relaxing 3-day, no-fuss vacation for you and a guest at the Maraval Resort and Spa in Tucson, Arizona. The contest winner will receive the child care of her choice, even if that means flying grandma in to watch the kids. Enter now to win a relaxing 3-day trip where all the fuss is about you.